In front of me is Blackview A90, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. You need to begin by opening calendar. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner, choose Got It and tap on the month above. From here you need to click on the date that you wish to set up and create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then choose event and adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title over here. Then pick starting hour or ending one. If you wish to, you can also disable this feature completely by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Now tap on this not repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat. Following that, add people, select add location, choose while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. Now set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before and even take notes. When you're ready, choose save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to make some changes, you can always click on it and edit it by choosing this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes and tap on save. If you wish to delete your event though, click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, select delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!